Hello, hello, hello. So, I'm in this deadline for my challenge, and I never do. I'm sure I've not done it. So the challenge is to model this cup, and I have never modeled before. You know. So I've watched a few tutorials. I've already gone ahead and started cutting off faces of my box, and I'm trying to see. You know, Igbo girl. I'm trying to see if I can what's the word? Finish this thing. I'm sorry, I'm very tired. It's been a long day. Today was my birthday. Today what's it? 12:30. Shit. Yesterday was my birthday. And I had 2 celebrations. It was beautiful. 2 parties. And it was cool. But now I'm tired and I was getting ready to sleep and then I saw, shit, my deadline is due. So, oh no, I've already added that. I've already added this reference. What's in Kilon Sora? What's going on, bro? Okay. Vertical split. Let's put my image editor. Downloads. Let's keep it where I can see it. Okay, how about we do that? And then edit mode. You know what? This camera in the viewport is driving me bonkers. What is it? Is it here? Camera. No. Camera. Mate, why are you selecting cube? I want my camera data. Blender is full of things like this. I just want to change. There's a viewport. Is the viewport this way? Transform. Camera. What did I do? I'm wondering why is this an issue here? Oh, I'm in edit mode. So if I go to, maybe then I could do it here. Camera. Delta transform. Where is this bloody? Oh, there we go. Viewport display. And I can change size of that so it's not so annoying. Like, bro. Don't be so annoying. And then I can go here and select okay. And then something like that. Okay. So what do I want to do? I want to
We done that being hit
Shh.
so the short is
It's like 12:30, mate. My neighbors are sleeping.
driving. Yeah, let's get right into it.
Shh. Bros.
So hit 5 to go off your graphic mode. Then click our cube and click tab. Get on click face selecting. Select this edge. R and move the loop cut over here. Click S. Once we scale it, we can control R and move the loop cut over here. Click S. Then hit S and scale it up to about there. Okay, once we scale it, we can hit another control R and bring it about there. Then we can go control R again. And bring this one. Then bring this one.
Okay, so let's.
Down here. Okay, once we've done that, here's our basic shortcut. Then we add a modifier. This is a solidified modifier, by the way. Okay, we can give this a little bit of thickness.
Alright, so let's do it like that. Let's do it like that. So do that. Do that.
And this. Okay, then we need to scale it down to about there. Once we scale it, we can hit control R and move the loop cut over here. Click S, then hit S and scale it.
Okay. User orthographic. Okay, so control. Whoa, go away, Google. Whatever that was. Control R. Control R. Oh, there was a whole problem here that I did not apply scale. Oh my gosh. Object or control A scale. All right, done it. That was helpful. And then control R. Oop. Edit. Oh yeah. Control R. Move it to the bottom there. Control R. Move it to the top. No. Move it to the top right there. And then now I can add my.
Okay, once we scale it, we can hit another control R and bring it about there. Then we go control R again and bring this one. Then bring this one down here. Okay, once we've done that, here's our basic shape for our cup. Then we can add a modifier. This is a solidified modifier, by the way. Okay, we can give this a little bit of thickness. You can copy my exact.
Yeah. Cube. Where? Oh yeah, solidify. And then, oh boy, there's a bit, whoa. Okay, one thing I found with this solidifier modifier is you really need to play with the values. Mate, how did I do it before? Oh yeah, so I think I left this as -1 and then I got this in the normals. No, don't flip. That's here. It was edge data. There was something that I realized that I needed to flip. I'll get to it. Mm. Give me a sec.